Hello everyone, welcome back to another beautiful tutorial presented by Hero Handmade Crochet YouTube channel. Today let's see how to crochet these beautiful flower earrings. This is really easy to make and you need to know only the basic crochet stitches to get this done. However, please note that this is an intermediate level tutorial. I have done the same flower as a beginner friendly video on my channel and I will mention the link for that video on the description box below. So if you are a beginner, you can go ahead and click on that link to refer to the beginner friendly video. And also I have used a fine kind of yarn here in this tutorial, but the beginner friendly video has been done by using a 3-ply thicker kind of a yarn, so that you'll be able to see the stitches easily there as well. Before getting started with the project, we will look into the things needed to make this. We will need our yarn. I'm going to use size 8 cotton yarn over here. And along with that 1mm steel crochet hook and also 2 hook ear wires, and I'm going to use these 2 plastic beads to decorate them, and we will also need 2 eye pins and the yarn needle and the yarn cutter or the pair of scissors and the flat nose plier, round nose plier and the wire cutter. Now these are the things we need to make this particular pair. So let's get started with the project. We will start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times like this and take it out. And then we need to put a stitch to secure the magic ring. Insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through the ring, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with our magic ring and we are going to work 10 single crochets into the magic ring as the first round. So insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the first single crochet. Just like this we will continue until we get 10 single crochets into the magic ring. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have completed 10 single crochets into the magic ring. Then we need to pull this tail tight to close the magic ring. Now we are going to put a slip stitch into the very first stitch over here to join the round. So insert the hook into the first stitch, work over the tail, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we have completed our first round. Now we are going to start the second round. I would like to work over this tail so that I don't have to worry about hiding the tail at the end. So we will start by chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. This is going to be considered as the first double crochet. Again chain 5. This is the space in between the double crochets, and then we need to work 1 double crochet into the very next stitch. Yarn over, keep the finger, insert the hook into the very next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed the double crochet. Then again we need to work another double crochet into the next stitch. Now we have 2 double crochets over here. Again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then work another double crochet into the very next stitch. Yarn over, keep the finger, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and again pull through 2. And we have to work another double crochet into the next stitch. And then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and work one more double crochet into the next stitch. And another double crochet into the very next stitch. And then again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we will work one double crochet into the next stitch as well. After that, another double crochet into the next stitch and chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then work one more double crochet into the last stitch over here. Now we are at the end of the round 2. Then we need to put a slip stitch into the third chain from the beginning to join the round. Now we have completed our second round as well. Now you can see that we have a tail left here, so you can take your yarn cutter or the pair of scissors to cut it off carefully. And then we will get started with the third round. Now you can see that we have the foundation for all 5 petals, and we are going to complete the petals now. Work a single crochet into the chain 5 space, and again we need to work 4 double crochets into the chain 5 space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then we need to work a picot stitch, which means we need to insert the hook into the first chain, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. This is the picot stitch. Again 4 double crochets into the chain 5 space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that we need to work a single crochet into the same chain 5 space. Now we have completed the first petal over here. We have to repeat the same thing. So 1 single crochet into the next chain 5 space, then 4 double crochets into the same chain 5 space, 2, 3 and 4, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work a picot stitch into the first chain, and again 4 double crochets into the same chain 5 space, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Work a single crochet into the chain 5 space. Now we have completed 2 petals over here. We have to just repeat the same pattern into these 3 petals as well. So complete the petals and meet me back there. Now I have completed all the petals here. Then we need to work a slip stitch into the first stitch to join the round. Now chain 1 and leave a little tail, and you can cut your yarn off. And we have completed the crochet part of the project. And then we will use our yarn needle to hide the tail. After completing both the flowers, we will see how to attach the jump rings and the hook ear wires to complete the earrings. First of all, we are going to use our eye pin and attach that to the flower. And then we will put the bead into the eye pin like this. And then we need to create a loop on the other side of the bead by using the yarn cutter and the round nose plier. And we can insert the hook ear wire also into the loop and secure that with the pliers. We will just do the same thing to complete the other earring as well. Now I have completed both the earrings here. I hope I have explained all the instructions clearly for you. If you have any question regarding making this, you can comment on the comment section below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching Hero Handmade.